In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Temu Influencer Program. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll give you helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Temu Influencer and press enter. On the results page, look for the official Temu website. It should clearly reference Temu's influencer or creator program. Avoid any third-party sites that may look similar. You're aiming for the official page so you get accurate information and a secure application process. Once you're on the official Temu page, find and click on the section labeled Influencer Program. This is where Temu explains the purpose of the program, who it's designed for, and what you might gain from participating. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with the general overview. It often includes benefits, expectations, and guidelines for creators. Next, click on Join the Program. This button takes you to the application flow. You'll likely see a summary of requirements before any form appears. Read those notes carefully so you understand what Temu is looking for. While the exact criteria can change, influencer programs typically consider factors like the quality and originality of your content, your platform presence, engagement rates, and whether your audience aligns with their target market. Some programs require that you're at least 18 and located in regions where the program is available. If you see any eligibility notes, make sure you meet them before proceeding. If the page indicates you must be eligible for the program to apply, that means you should verify that your social profiles are public, active, and reflect the type of content brands want to partner with. Consistent posting, clear niche focus, and authentic engagement go a long way. If you don't meet the criteria yet, treat this as a checklist for what to improve, then return when you're ready. When you click to join, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Temu. The site will guide you through whatever information they need and let you know if anything is missing. If you run into errors or don't see the influencer section, try refreshing, switching devices, or checking the official Temu help resources for your region. That's the full process. Search for Temu Influencer, open the official influencer program page, click to join, and make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. Take your time, read each page carefully, and good luck with